Today I am going to discuss about the exception handling scenario in Spring Boot. You can do the exception handling scenario without response entity or with response entity. Today I am interesting about the without response entity. You can use only @exception handler and you can do the customized exception. Say with the happy path, you have written the list of the users and you just fetch from the collection API and users added in the list and return the list, and in the get mapping what you will get that the list of the users in the JSON format and the status code is 200. This is a happy path, and this is the code like how to make that custom exception handling. For custom exception handling, you have to write the custom exception, user exception, extends exceptions, and if you get any abnormal scenario, you have to return and throw the new user exceptions, and you have to write at REST controller advice, and there you have to write the response status. What will be the in when you are accessing that web service, and what will be the response status code, that is response status code not acceptable. And exception handler, here you have to mention that user exception dot class, and you can use that error message, that's a model class error code and message, and you can mention that 420 and the user not found, and you know that not is HTTP status not acceptable, it's a 406. Now see here, I have used @path variable. For the wrong user, I will that obviously it will go to this workflow and it will throw the user exception, that's custom exception. You will get 406 as the status code, that's a not acceptable or bad, and you as the error code message as the 420 what I have mentioned, and the user not found. And if the user available not null, then you will get 200 and you will get the output in the console. For the happy path, say users already available, say Rabi, username, and search with the Rabi, and you will find that users already available, and you will get status code as the 200, and you will find that users. This is the happy path. Now for exceptional scenario, what you will get in exception scenario, you will get that here you will get that status code what I have mentioned here, not acceptable, that is 406 here, and the whatever the custom message in the error model class I have mentioned, say 420, whatever anything what you mention, it will be printing here. It will give you the error message, and in the web browser it will not give that 406, it will give that message, custom message. So this way we can handle it. Here I have used that obviously the name which is not available, Rabi is available, not Raja, so it's not available, and you will get exception. So this way you can easily handle exception. Thank you.